And we're just going to give this a final stir. Tender, juicy beef, crispy onions, oyster sauce. A succulent Chinese meal? Beef and onion stir fry with oyster sauce. One of the easiest Chinese takeaway meals you can make at home in minutes for a fraction of the cost. Keep your fingertips tucked in well to the palm of your hand while using a Chinese cleaver. This will ensure that you get to keep them. For this recipe, I'm using frying steak because I like it. Place the frying steak flat on your chopping board. Parallel cut the frying steak as thin as you possibly can, and you can continue to cut the meat even thinner again depending on how brave you are. Transfer the beef to a bowl, add soy sauce, water, and use your hand to mix everything together. The beef will absorb the water and the soy sauce, which will make it moist, tender, and flavorful. And there you go, the beef has drank all the sauce. Chuck in 2 tablespoons of corn flour and give it a good mix. The corn flour will lock in the flavor, keeping the beef moist as it hits the hot wok. Give the beef a good massage, ensuring you cover it all well. When you're finished doing that, sprinkle a tablespoon of vegetable oil over the beef. The vegetable oil will stop the beef from sticking together in the wok. Fire a load of vegetable oil into your wok there, twirl it around and pour the excess back into a pot. In with your beef. Now just spread the beef out slowly and you're going to let it sit for around 20 to 30 seconds. After 20-30 seconds, close your eyes, breathe in, and you're going to think you're actually in Chinatown. Now look at that shiny glaze off the beef, so tender and juicy. In with your onions, and we want to crisp these onions up. Give them a good mix around along with your tender beef. And last but not least, you want to go in with a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 2 to 3 tablespoons of cold tap water, followed by a tablespoon of oyster sauce. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment. Or if you want to watch my late night spicy movies, you can become a member for the knockdown price of 99p. And there you have it, beef and onion stir fry. Mmm.